Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to troubleshoot your water heater. Now, there's two basic types of water heater that are in use primarily. There is this type, which is a gas water heater, and then there's also an electric water heater. So we're going to talk about the gas water heater first. If you do not have hot water, there are some things that you can check just to make sure. Now, the first thing is we want to come over here, and there's this cover plate right here that we can remove. Now, most of the water heaters operate off a pilot light, and there is a small window once you remove the cover plate that you can look down in here. And what you should see is you should see a glow down in there. Now, if you do not see a glow, then that means that your pilot light has gone out. This particular water heater is equipped with an igniter. So if that happens, then what you want to do is you want to rotate your control knob to the off position, and you want to let it set for probably about 30 seconds. After you do that, then you want to rotate it back to the pilot position. And the knobs are clearly marked where it has a pilot and an on. Now, once you rotate that to the pilot position and line it up with the front, there's a cutout on this and allows you to depress this red button. So we'll depress the red button, and then what you want to do is you want to snap the igniter until you can look down in the inspection window and see that glow. Now, once that happens, then we will rotate the unit back to the on position, and then you want to again check and make sure that your pilot light is on down below. Once you do that, particularly if the water's been on, you should automatically hear your igniter come on. Now, with electric water heater, what commonly happens is that you may throw a breaker. So then you want to locate your main breaker box, and you want to locate the circuit breakers for your electric water heater. And it should be clearly labeled in there. And you just want to double check those. So you can pop those off and then reset them. And most of the time, that's what you have to do for your electric water heaters. Now, beyond that, if those simple things do not work to get your hot water heater working, you may have a more serious problem, or you may have a malfunctioning water heater. And that is something that you can either take care of yourself or call a plumbing professional to check out for you. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how you troubleshoot your water heater.